So I'm out camping and I have my buddy Hex hooked up on this Mastwerks rotating mast system, and I built this thing after I found out there's an ESP32 project out there, so I went through the painstaking trouble of doing this myself. Over here is a Raspberry Pi, and on the right hand side is an Arduino UNO with a Bluetooth chip from Adafruit, the Blue Fruit LE friend. And then it has two connection wires. There's a Bluetooth chip there. And then it has a connection wire that's your 12 volt power in. And then there's your motor wire, which I still need work on. And then there's a 3D printed part that twists right on that you could get from Printables from the ESP32 project. So how this thing works is you have a power selector and a motor selector. They have to be in the same position to operate, to make it kind of dummy proof. You can see the Arduino right there. So if you're in position 1, the Arduino kicks on. You need the motor selector in position 1, and essentially it only uses half of this whole case. The Raspberry Pi is position 2. It uses a Flask server. So you open command prompt, PowerShell, your Linux terminal, whatever. You log in remotely through the IP address of the Raspberry Pi. You run the Python code and you log into an HTML on your browser and you have full control. A magnetometer is coming soon on this thing. I just got them in. But these clamps right here, they were 3D printed from the ESP32, and the case is just from Harbor Freight and Apache 1800. And so this thing, I was given some advice by, I'll put his name or his call sign up there in the corner, about the speed. So I put a 6-second acceleration, 6-second deceleration, because this is a 30-foot mast, a 10-meter mast. So when this thing is up, I want a smooth transition, very smooth transition. So when it takes off at full speed, 100%, I have it defaulted to 85, but full, it does it about 360 degrees in 45 seconds. All right, this will be a demonstration. That's me accidentally hitting the wrong switch there. So now it's in position 1 for the Arduino, which is Bluetooth function. Then I'm going to walk over to my phone here and I'm going to connect to, I use the Blue Fruit Connect app. It's free. Pulls up right there. You can name it whatever you want to. I have an antenna rotator. Then I just go to this kind of like a video game thing. I program the button to enable the motor, the down one to disable, just in case it runs away. And we have the right button that goes clockwise, and the other one that goes counterclockwise. This also has speed adjustment in the app unlike the Wi-Fi, you can't just adjust the speed on the fly. You actually got to put something in there like speed 235 or whatever. That's it.